inspiring us to be our best. Thank you for making sure that we study well. Once again, Happy Teacher's Day. God bless you, Day.
Sir Mark, babawasan ko na po yung kulit ko.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Sir Mark. God bless you.
Teacher
Okay.
Mark, Happy Teacher's Day. Teachers sa pagtuturo, we love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Mark. Thank you for always being kind and cool. Mag-aaral po kami na mabuti. See you on Monday.
Teacher Mark, Happy Teacher's Day, and we appreciate all your good work and teaching us well. Happy Teacher's Day, and once again, God bless.
Hi, Teacher Mark. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for teaching us well and taking care of us. Love you and God bless you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Mark. Thank you sa mga lesson na binibigay niya sa amin at tinuturo niya sa amin. God bless you po always. Take care po always. Happy Teacher's Day po.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Mark. God bless you po. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin.
How about you? Which
Happy
would have been the
Teacher's Day
rarest
po,
letter
Teacher
in the
Mark.
game if not for
God bless
two
you.
items that
Hi, Sir Mark. Happy Teacher's Day po. You're an amazing teacher and mentor. Wishing you a wonderful Teacher's Day po. God bless po. Happy Teacher's Day nga po pala, Sir Mark, at salamat po sa lahat ng tinuro niyo.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Sir Mark. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. God bless you po.